In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in a YouTube video. So the first thing you want to do is go inside YouTube Studio and then to Content here on the left. Then you want to click on the video where you'd like to add subtitles to, and then scroll down under Details, click on Show More, and then look for this where it says Language and Captions Certificate, or Certification, excuse me. And you want to click on Video Language and select your video language. In my case, it's English, so I selected English, and then you want to click Next or go to Video Elements, and the first thing that pops up says Add Subtitles. Reach a broader audience by adding subtitles to your video. In here, you want to click Add, and then you have three options. You can either upload a file, which will basically put in the subtitles inside of your video, so you can click this and select whether you have subtitles with timing or without timing, and then simply click continue and upload them from your computer. And the second option is to type it in manually, okay? So you can simply type these in, and that's pretty much it. You can type them in and then time them according to your video, okay? So that's the second option. And if I show you the third option, let me just discard changes, go back in here again, which is the auto sync, okay? So you can type or paste in a full transcript of the video and subtitle timings will be set automatically. So that's the third option you have, but of course for this you have to have in a uploaded file or a manually typed basically subtitle track, okay? And that's pretty much it. That's how you add subtitles in a YouTube video.